Hello! Today we are making Greek givarlakia, which is meatballs with rice soup. Step 1. We pour olive oil into the bottom of our pot. Step 2. We mix together meat, rice, onion, parsley, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Step 3. We add the egg white scrambled into the mixture and keep mixing. Step 4. We make meatballs with our mixture and put them carefully into our pot. Step 5. We add 2 glasses of water into the pot until we cover our meatballs completely. A little bit of more salt. And step 6. We add our potatoes and carrot slices into the pot. We cook into medium temperature for about 20-25 minutes into pressure cooker. After finishing cooking, we can add extra water and boil for another 2 or 3 minutes into open pot. Our givarlakia are ready and they are delicious.